Hey everybody, it's Brooke with WTI. We have lately been going to restaurants or just in general places where my son makes a mess, and I have luckily found these Hippypotamus Disposable Placemats. I love that there are 3 different colors. They're all so cute, and I love the color is pastel. I really love how big they are. They're 12 by 18 inches, so it's plenty of space for him to spread out his food like he likes to do. Also, they're really sticky. He cannot get it off, and he really likes to try and pull it off. But another idea is that if you just don't want to clean up a mess at home, you could throw one of these on your high chair so you don't have to wipe it down every time. We also have a little play table at home that he likes to eat his snacks at, and I love being able to put one of these down so that I don't have to clean the table every time he eats at it. I love that it comes in this great resealable bag so that you can keep them all together so you always know where they are. When you're all finished, it's so easy to pull off and it doesn't leave any sticky residue, so you don't have to worry about wrecking someone's tabletops or leaving anything behind. If you're on the go a lot, either to restaurants or just other people's houses and you don't want to make a mess, these are absolutely the perfect placemats to take with you. But that's just my point of view.